Hi friends, this is CA Harsha Buddala. So today we are going to discuss circular number 195 of the GST circular issued on 17 July 2023. So what is the subject matter of this circular? See, in a warranty period, now whenever a product is in warranty period, so the company will either provide the customer replacement of part or either repair services. So in this scenario, what is the availability of ITC? So if you observe the subject, clarification on availability of ITC in respect of warranty, replacement of part and repair services during warranty period. Now the entire circular consists of six scenarios which is every scenario is linked with each other. Okay, so now we'll start with the first scenario. What the first scenario is telling. See, manufacturer is there, customer is there. See, whenever manufacturer provides replacement of part and or repair services, okay, during the warranty period without separately charging any consideration. So in this case, whether GST would be payable on such replacement of part or supply of repair services without any consideration. So simply speaking, they are asking that whether GST is payable in this scenario or not. See, for all these scenarios, I have already prepared some examples. We will understand each scenario with an example. Okay, so if you observe here, and now let us take an example. Lenovo mobile manufacturer is there and Lenovo customer is there. So now Lenovo had supplied a mobile phone to the customer at a price of rupees 10,000. Now let us assume there is some technical problem. There is some display related problem in the mobile phone. So what we will do? So you will approach the company. See, usually whenever warranty period is still alive, you will approach the company telling that no, there is some problem with my display, so please rectify it. Now what company will do? Company will take the product, will either they may do some repair or either they will replace some part, they will rectify it and they will give it to you. For this, will they charge any consideration? No, any additional consideration? No, will they charge any additional consideration? No, any additional consideration has been charged by the manufacturer from customer. Usually they won't charge any additional consideration. See, if they charge any additional consideration, GST will definitely will come. GST is 100% payable. Now, if they are not charging any additional consideration, the department is saying that okay, in this case, no further GST is chargeable on such replacement or repair services. Why there is no why GST is not chargeable means the reason is very simple. See, 10,000 rupees is the price of the mobile phone. See, for the 10,000 rupees, what are the services they are giving? For the 10,000 rupees, they are giving you a mobile phone, they are giving you a charger, and also they are giving you 1 year warranty. It means that at the time of original sale only, they are collecting some they are collecting the likely cost of replacement of part and repair service. They are collecting the likely cost. Okay, so let us assume 10,000 rupees is a mobile phone. Mobile phone price, no, in that 500 rupees is for the likely cost of replacement of part and repair services. So it is already included in the price. That price already you have paid to the company. On that price already GST also has been collected by the company and company paid it to the department. So as already GST has been paid on this transaction, now whenever you are going for a replacement of part or repair service, why again GST will come? Already you have paid, na? So that's the simple explanation given by the department. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now what is the second scenario? That second scenario we will see. Second scenario is nothing but it is an extension of the first scenario. Whether in such case the manufacturer is required to reverse the input tax credit in respect of such replacement of part or supply of repair service as part of warranty, in respect of which no additional consideration is charged from the customer. See, just now we have discussed a case between Lenovo mobile manufacturer and the customer. Customer had came to the Lenovo company and had availed the replacement of part and repair service for free of cost. Free of cost means already no in the original sale transaction that likely cost of replacement and repair service also included. Okay, so they have simply concluded that between what is happening between the Lenovo manufacturer and customer, no GST is there. They have simply concluded. Now the point here is, now what about the input credit which the Lenovo manufacturer has already claimed in relation to this replacement of part or repair service? So better this also we will discuss with the example which I have already prepared. Okay, then it will be very easy for you. So now see, previous scenario one is between Lenovo manufacturer. I didn't wrote here manufacturer. It is between Lenovo manufacturer and customer. Now it is between Lenovo supplier and Lenovo manufacturer. See, let us assume if I am manufacturing a mobile phone means each and every part I won't manufacture it. Few I will directly purchase. Say for example in air conditioner, many of the air conditioning companies will purchase compressor from Panasonic. They won't manufacture it. Similarly, I am assuming, in reality I don't know, I am assuming that Lenovo is purchasing display sets from some other manufacturer. Okay, so now see this entire scenario 2 I will explain you with a beautiful example which will make you very clear. Let us assume Lenovo has purchased 100 display sets from their supplier. Now at the time of purchase, ITC will be availed on this 100 display sets. Simply speaking, whenever we made a purchase, simply we will write a journal entry that purchase account debit, CGST account debit, SGST account debit. It means directly we are availing the ITC. On these 100 display sets also, Lenovo manufacturer is availing ITC. Now what happened? Out of this 100 display set, 98 display sets. See what the manufacturer will do with this display sets. Either they will utilize it in manufacturing a new mobile phone, or either they will utilize this display set to provide replacement of part for the mobile phones which already they have sold, warranty claims. Okay, now in this 100, let us assume 98 they have utilized in making a new mobile phones and sold it in the market. So now here this 98 display sets is the input and the output is 98 completed mobile phones. So ITC I have claimed on that 98 display sets, and output also I will pay GST. See, this mobile phone is my output. On that output, whenever I made a sale, it is an output tax liability to me. On the GST is an output tax liability to me. I will pay it by utilizing this input. Okay. So now what is the problem is about remaining, what's the problem here is regarding the remaining two display sets. See, remaining two, they have utilized it for replacement of parts under the warranty. So between two customers two customers approached the company and saying that we are having some problem with the display sets. What company ideally will do? They will replace the parts. Now here the output is replacement of part on which no GST is payable. So here comes the problem. See, actually uh, here output is taxable. You are taking the input tax credit. Now here the output tax itself is not there. See, how I concluded that just now only we have learned that department gave a clarification that whatever the display sets which they are providing as a replacement of part to the customer as a warranty claim, no GST is there. So similarly, that two display sets which we have provided to the customer as a replacement of part, no GST is applicable. So now here a question arises whether ITC should be reversed, whether the IT should be reversed. The answer is no. See, simply speaking, these two display sets I am not giving it as a gift or I am not giving it as a free sample. See, these two, regarding these two display set also, I have already collected the GST. How I have already collected the GST? because at the time of original sale, in every mobile phone price there is a component. What is that component? No, the likely cost of replacement of part and repair service. In every mobile phone, the 10,000 rupees price la, already some 500 or 200 has been included as the likely cost of replacement of part or repair service. On that anyway, GST I have paid. So regarding this input, there is a taxable output. So you should not have to think in a manner that, see, this two displays related output is exempted. No, you shouldn't have to think like that. Why? Because it is already included in the component. It is already included in the component of a taxable output. So no any question of reversal of ITC will arise. I hope it is clear. So somewhat bit tricky this one. I hope it is resolved. Okay. And now coming to the third scenario. Whether GST would be payable on replacement of part and or repair services provided by a distributor without any consideration from the customer as a part of warranty on behalf of the manufacturer. Practically this only will happen. See, warranty is promised by company only, manufacturer only. But to claim that warranty, will we go up to the manufacturer? No, we will go to the authorized distributors or authorized dealers, okay, authorized service centers. We will go up to them. Okay, now what they are telling, whether GST would be payable on replacement of part on repair services provided by a distributor without any consideration. See, that also very simply I will clear it. See, Lenovo distributor is there, Lenovo customer is there. The replacement of part or repair services is provided by the distributor on behalf of manufacturer. So distributor is providing on behalf of manufacturer. Now, will distributor charge money from the customer? See, I am talking about the product which is under warranty. Okay. Now, will the distributor collect any money from you? No, distributor won't collect any money from you. Why? Because for distributor is supposed to do it because manufacturer had given an instruction that whenever any customer comes with a valid warranty, you do it for free of cost. You do it as a free service. I will pay you that money. So now, anyway, confined, see, this third scenario is strictly confined to distributor and customer only. So I won't mix up manufacturer aspect. So for this, no separate consideration is charged by distributor. Distributor will do it for free of cost. As no consideration is charged by distributor, no GST would be payable by the distributor on this supply. As simple as that. Okay, na? So now the third scenario also has been completed. Now coming to the fourth scenario. See, fourth scenario is nothing but an extension of third scenario only. Everything. Second is an extension of first one, third is an extension of second one, like that it is going on. Now fourth one, what they are telling is, in the above scenario means extension. Above scenario means distributor providing services to the customer, where the distributor provides replacement of parts to the customer. Observe very carefully. See, till now it is whether GST would be payable on replacement of part and or repair service. They are talking about two, replacement of part and repair service. But from in the fourth point, they are talking only about replacement of parts. Replacement of parts to the customer as a part of warranty on behalf of the manufacturer, whether any supply is involved. See, you approached the authorized distributor. Distributor provided you service at a free of cost. Okay, their discussion comes to an end. But why will distributor provide you at free of cost? Distributor is providing you at free of cost because manufacturer will give him money. That's the reason why distributor or dealer is providing you the service at free of cost. Now, how the transaction will happen between the manufacturer and distributor, and what are the GST implications? Okay, whenever any warranty claim has been made by the customer from a authorized distributor, okay, then there will be a transaction between distributor and manufacturer. Okay, this transaction between distributor and manufacturer in the back can be happen in 3 different ways. That 3 different ways also we will cover now. Okay, with a beautiful example. So now Lenovo manufacturer and Lenovo distributor. Okay, so 3 scenarios. See, whenever you approached a distributor, see the distributor had see, this is fourth point is completely about replacement of part only, and that too our example is that display replacement only. Okay, now there is no any change in the example. Now coming to the 3 scenarios. First, briefly, I will explain you the 3 scenarios. Whenever you approach the distributor, you approach it for a display replacement. What can probably happen? Already authorized dealer might have purchased some displays from a third party. Okay, so let us assume they might be having some 10 sets of displays which they have purchased from the third party, not from the manufacturer. They have purchased it from the third party. Or whenever you go to them, they may based on your requisition they may purchase. Based on the requisition you place, they may purchase. This is one scenario. Simply speaking, the first scenario is purchasing the displays from the third party, and the second scenario is nothing but distributor raises the requisition. Distributor raises to the requisition to the manufacturer, and manufacturer provides the said parts to the distributor for the replacement purpose. See, sometimes whenever you go for a display replacement, they will take some 20 days, 25 days also. Okay, few cases it will happen. Why? Because whenever you give your mobile phone for replacement, then they will raise a requisition to the manufacturer, and manufacturer will give them the display set, and then they will replace it. Okay, and the third scenario which can probably happen was, as there may be the third case can be distributor purchasing display sets directly from the manufacturer. Distributor purchasing display sets from the manufacturer. See, why distributor will purchase the display sets from manufacturer? See, let us assume I am using a Realme phone or Lenovo phone. See, if warranty is there, manufacturer will do it for free, and that too no any physical damage. Some cases will apply. Let us assume warranty has been completed, and I want to replace it with the original display. Now I will go to the distributor, and distributor will charge money. That is not our discussion. Our discussion is confined to warranty period only. Now see, distributor is maintaining some stock of displays which he had purchased from the manufacturer. See, what is the difference between scenario A and scenario C is nothing but in both the cases, distributor is purchasing mobile sets. But in A scenario, distributor is purchasing display sets from third party, and in C scenario, distributor is purchasing display sets from manufacturer itself only. That is the difference. B point anyway, just a requisition, no purchase, only requisition. Okay, na? I hope you got the 3 scenarios briefly. Now, what will happen in the A scenarios? Distributor replaces the parts to customer under warranty, either by using his stock or by purchasing from a third party. Okay, and now what? Distributor had done this replacement to the customer, and customer will go very happily. Now what about the money? Who will pay the money? Manufacturer will pay the money to the customer. It is purely a supply. Now supply part is there between manufacturer and the distributor. So in this distributor should have to levy GST on the supply made by him to the manufacturer. See, even though the service is being provided by the distributor to the customer, it is actually they have provided service to the manufacturer, not to the customer. Okay, na? In reality, who will pay you the money, sir? Manufacturer will pay you the money. Okay, so they will simply issue a tax invoice to the manufacturer, and what manufacturer will do? Manufacturer will pay the money, and manufacturer will take the ITC. That's what they have explained. That's how they have clearly explained. Now, see, fourth B, nothing will happen. Why? Because no purchase is happening. Distributor is not purchasing anything. Just they will raise a requisition. Ultimately, who is bearing the cost? Manufacturer is bearing the cost. So in warranty, that is the concept na. See, that 10,000 la likely cost component of replacement of part and repair service is there. Who is collecting that money? Distributor or manufacturer? Manufacturer is collecting. Now whenever any warranty claim comes, who has to bear? Manufacturer only should have to bear. Why distributor will bear? Okay na. So that's what happening. In B point nothing is there. Coming to the C point. C point again I have written it separately. Okay, I hope it will help you out. Out of the supply already received by him from the manufacturer. Okay, manufacturer, you have purchased it from manufacturer, means already distributor has purchased some displays from the manufacturer. Whenever he purchases, distributor will claim ITC, and distributor can use it and can use this for mobiles covered and not covered through warranty. See, I have purchased 100 displays, sir. 100 displays la, if customers with warranty claim comes, I will provide to them. If customers without warranty claim, means let us assume warranty claim is 1 year only. After 1 year they are coming. Okay, so in that case no warranty claim. See, I can provide it to anyone. See, and but our discussion is only confined to warranty claim. Now what happened? Manufacturer supplied goods to distributor. Goods is nothing but here display sets. Now this box part you ignore. Okay, so manufacturer supplied display sets to distributor. Now what is happening? Because see, let us confine. This is only regarding warranty claims. Now what distributor is doing? Distributor is again using it for manufacturer only. See, distributor purchased mobile display set from manufacturer. Now distributor, what distributor had done with that mobile set? Distributor had done a replacement of part to a customer. Okay, but actually distributor is providing service to the customer or service to the manufacturer? It is service to the manufacturer. Now if you observe the transaction closely, display set had come from manufacturer to distributor, and from again distributor it is going back to the indirectly, not directly, it is indirectly going back to the manufacturer. Directly it is going to the customer, but who will bear the money? Manufacturer only will bear the money na. See, even though I made a purchase, again manufacturer will give back the money to the distributor. It is nothing but an indirectly again the display is going back to the manufacturer. Okay, so if you observe here, from distributor the display set is going back to the manufacturer, and manufacturer is giving back the consideration is also coming back. Now this transaction is same like purchase return in distributor point of view. See, first distributor had purchased it, but after purchasing, what he had done, he had provided a replacement of part service to a customer under warranty. Providing service to a customer under warranty means nothing but providing service to the manufacturer only. Why? Because ultimately manufacturer only will bear that cost. So it is same like purchase return in the distributor point of view, and it is same like sales return in the manufacturer point of view. So in this case, manufacturer initially manufacturer sold it. Now whenever manufacturer sold it, what manufacturer will do? Manufacturer will collect the GST. Manufacturer will collect the GST, and that manufacturer GST liability has been increased. But that display part had again came back to him in the indirect form. That display part had again came back to the manufacturer in the indirect form. Now what manufacturer should have to do? It is same like sales return na. In sales return, what we have to do? We have to reduce our GST output liability. To reduce the GST output liability of manufacturer, what manufacturer should have to do? Manufacturer should have to issue a credit note. Manufacturer should have to issue a credit note. To whom manufacturer will issue the credit note? Manufacturer will issue the credit note to the distributor. It means distributor is receiving the credit note. Whenever you receive any credit note, what you have to do? You have to reduce your ITC. Initially it is a purchase to the distributor. Again he is giving back indirectly to the manufacturer only. It is like purchase return. The net effect is like purchase return. Whenever purchase return happens, you have to reduce your ITC. That's what department had also given in that circular. So by this, fourth scenario is also completed. I hope it is clear up to here. This page has not been scanned properly. I again scanned it. Coming to the fifth scenario. Fifth scenario, we'll go and read there. What the fifth scenario? Fifth scenario, where the distributor, now here they are talking about repair service. In fourth law, they have spoken about replacement part. Now we are speaking about repair service, where the distributor provides repair service in addition to the replacement of parts or otherwise to the customer without any consideration. Definitely to the customer we will provide without any consideration only, as a part of warranty on behalf of the manufacturer, but charges the manufacturer for such service. That's it. Usually that only will happen. We will provide it to the customer for free of cost, but we will charge it from the manufacturer. Now in this case, implications, GST implications we will understand. Now look at it. Distributor had provided service to the customer and provides repair service in addition to the replacement to customer without any consideration as part of warranty. And now manufacturer, but distributor collect or charges the manufacturer. Money is going from manufacturer to distributor. So in this case, supply of service is there. Supply of service is there. Who is the supplier? Distributor is the supplier. Distributor is providing the service for whom? For manufacturer. Okay, supply of service. Hence GST would be payable on such service by distributor to manufacturer, and manufacturer would be entitled to avail ITC. Simply speaking, in this case, distributor will issue a tax invoice. Distributor will issue a tax invoice, and distributor will collect the GST from the manufacturer, and distributor will pay it to the government. So for manufacturer, it is like an input service. On that, manufacturer will take ITC. As simple as that. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now coming to the last scenario, extended warranty. It is an extended warranty. We used to listen this word called extended warranty. Sometimes companies provide offers of extended warranty to the customers, which can be availed at the time of original supply or just before the expiry of standard warranty period. So this also we will understand with the example. Last one, extended warranty. See, extended warranty, customer enters into an agreement of extended warranty with manufacturer at the time of original supply only. See, at the time of original supply, down I have given an example. Say for example, same mobile phone with without extended warranty, the price is 10,000. With extended warranty, 11,000. See, usually for 10,000, I will give you only 1 year warranty. With that 11,000, I will give you 2 years warranty, extended warranty at the time of sale only, at the time of original supply only. Then the consideration for such extended warranty becomes part of the value of the composite supply. GST would be payable. Okay na? So it is a composite supply. Along with the mobile phone, warranty service is also being provided. Composite supply. On that entire 11,000 amount, GST will be collected and GST will be paid. Okay, so that is the scenario. Now customers enters into an agreement of extended warranty with manufacturer at any time after the original supply. See, original supply had happened after 1 month or after 2 months or after 6 months or after 1 year or just before the original warranty getting expired. Okay, at any time after the original supply, if you go and ask the manufacturer for an extended warranty, then the same is a separate contract. And GST would be payable by the service provider. Who is the service provider? Manufacturer itself is the service provider. Okay, so this is about all the 6 scenarios. I have made all the efforts to make it clear. Okay, so that examples and all. Okay, and moreover, this is purely an educational video. Okay, I hope I have made every possible attempt to reduce all the errors. Okay, and if you really like this video, if you really find this video as helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay, thank you for this opportunity.